My life has taken on so many different paths. I originally wanted to be a singer and an actress, and that is something that I did pursue, and I was accepted into Juilliard. However, I got pregnant when I was 18 years old, never knew that it was going to be the most wonderful but yet traumatizing experience of my life. I remember when I found out I was pregnant, my father was with me. I was 18 years old and I was so scared. I remember the nurse who walked me back behind the emergency room doors. She could have been judgmental, but she wasn't. She was very comforting, and that of a mother, which is where the Latin term nurse comes from, nurse mother. And she comforted me, and she listened to my fears and my concerns, and she made me feel that it was going to be okay. And I'll never forget her for that. I never knew then that being pregnant was going to change my life so much and send me down the path of wanting to care for people. I've watched my mother care for my uncle who's had 2 massive strokes. I've watched her give up her dreams. And I realize that when she gets older and she needs someone to care for her, I want to be that person. I want to care for her and others and make a difference in people's lives, the way that nurses have made a difference in mine. When I gave birth to my son, I was diagnosed with peripartum cardiomyopathy. It was a very scary time for me when the doctor came in, not being comforting, and said, "You'll never be able to have children again." Now imagine being 18 years old, laying there, hooked up to heart monitors, and a doctor tell you that this is the only child that you will ever have. When the doctor left, it was the nurse that came in and sat with me and comforted me and consoled me and made me feel better. She went above and beyond doing interventions of medications and treatments. She listened to my needs and helped me cope with my situation. It was also the nurse that took care of me and was assessing the situation while I was laying in the hospital bed wasting away. Through her knowledge, experience, and her experience that she had gained as being a nurse, and through mentors that she had, she saw the signs of what was happening to me. She called the doctors immediately, and my mother overheard her say, "The doctor's pulling into the hospital now," and he was there at my bedside because of her. And I'm alive today because of her. She's the one that was constantly concerned as what was going on with me. Was I okay? Starting prayer chains. She went above and beyond the call of duty to care for a patient. That nurse is someone that hasn't forgotten why she went into the nursing field. As nurses, we are supposed to care for patients in a holistic point of view. Not just them, but their families and what they're going through. We have to be professional and be able to communicate. And we may encounter a patient that we may not have a good personality with. But we have to step back and realize that everyone handles illness and sickness differently. Everyone doesn't handle things the same way. And we have to, no matter what is going on in our lives, it's opening night every single day for a nurse. We have to know what we're doing because we are the ones that are with patients 24 hours a day, and we are the ones that are alerting the doctors as to what their status is. I think as nurses, we sometimes forget why we went into the nursing field. And I think sometimes we forget the upcoming future nurses, that they may be hindering us instead of helping us in the nursing field. We need to learn to stand together and look at the patient and what the patient is going through. We need to be patient. We need to be kind. We need to be caring. And we need to smile and realize that we are making a difference in people's lives. People trust the nurses. They trust the nurses to be the ones to let them know that it's going to be okay. And they trust the nurses to alert the doctors to when the situation may warrant their attention. It doesn't matter what a doctor says or if a doctor makes a comment that upsets a nurse. What matters is how the patients view us and how the patients view the care that we give. Nursing is the best step that I ever took in my life. And I know that when I become a nurse, through my clinical experience, that I want to mentor and help other future nurses make a difference in today's world.